everybody, welcome back to my channel. And glad you guys said you wanted to see me do back to school stuff. I've done this in the past where I've shopped at Office Max, Office Depot. They combine their stores, and I show you guys good deals to get at those stores. But this week I'm actually going to pass because I have a feeling there's going to be a lot better deals coming up in the next couple weeks. So I'm just going to pass this week, but I did want to share with you guys what you guys can get for a pretty decent deal. So they got notebooks for 25 cents, which I think is a good deal. They got portfolio, looks like it just says 2-pocket poly portfolios. Those are 35 cents. They got crayons for 50 cents, a 24-pack, which is a pretty good deal. Erasers, 60 cents for a 12-pack. They got clear pencil boxes for $1. They got the glue sticks for $1, and they have pencils for $2 and highlighters for $2. Those are a great deal. Now, also, we'll be getting tons of coupons over the next couple weeks. So these are stuff that you guys can use coupons for. I couponed a lot when I was at Office Max, Office Depot. So I got a lot of freebies, but those are the main things. Now, they do have penny items a lot over the next couple weeks, and that's pretty much mainly what I go for. But then they also can get reams of paper, super cheap. And I print like crazy on coupons, and why not? Because I can get all my paper for free pretty much. But the one thing they do have right here is the Duracell batteries. It is a 16-pack. You can get either AA or AAA. You buy it. I don't know the price. I tried searching for it, but I don't know the price. It's probably like 16 bucks or something. But you guys would buy it, and then they end up giving you, if you guys are in the rewards program, you guys will get it back for free. You'll get your money back for free. You don't have to use all that money in one transaction. You can actually just pay for it as you go. But I think that's a pretty good deal. You know, two packs of batteries absolutely free, and then you guys can use it towards more school supplies. But they also have some other deals right here. They got markers 6 for $6, index cards 50 cents, paper 85 cents, glue $1, pens $4, rulers $2, little mini staplers $2. So they got some stuff, but I always try to get reams of paper for free and everything, but I'm excited to share with you guys, and I'll usually go on Sundays and share with you guys. But this is the ad. You guys can check it out yourself and see what other deals they are. But definitely join their rewards program if you guys haven't already. That right there, you know, helps it, and then you guys can get your free school supplies. But this is all the boring furniture. I'm just going to see if there's anything else. And that is it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more back to school freebies, and I will see you guys all later. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.